Hmm? You're not good in my life. Boss. Boss Dag. If you comments there again about that, I will remove you and hiding you. If you think I'm happy, what you doing there? What's your message there in my live chat? It's not good, okay? I don't want visitors like you. You're not good in my life. Hmm? Do you think that I do that? You're very, very mistake. Your mistake come in my life, okay? Okay, I will hide you there. I will hide you now. Sorry. I will hide you and saying goodbye, Bye-bye. Hmm. You're not good in my life. I don't want visitors like you. Hmm?